Welcome to this tutorial on how to use your Banco Sabadell debit card. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to get the most out of your card, ensuring a seamless and secure banking experience. First, let's start with the basics. Your Banco Sabadell debit card is linked to your current account, allowing you to access your funds and make transactions worldwide. To begin, make sure you have activated your card by following the instructions provided by the bank. To use your debit card, you will need to know your personal identification number, or PIN. This 4-digit code is used to authenticate your transactions and protect your account from unauthorized access. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Now, let's move on to making a purchase. When shopping in stores, simply swipe or insert your card into the payment terminal and enter your PIN to complete the transaction. You can also use your debit card to make online purchases by entering your card details and security code on the merchant's website. To withdraw cash, locate an ATM and insert your card. Select your language and enter your PIN. Then choose the withdrawal option and follow the on-screen instructions. Be aware of any daily withdrawal limits and potential fees associated with using out-of-network ATMs. In addition to making purchases and withdrawals, you can also use your debit card to check your account balance and view your transaction history. This can be done at an ATM or through the Banco Sabadell online banking platform. To ensure the security of your account, always keep your debit card and PIN in a safe place, and never share your card details with anyone. Regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions, and report any discrepancies to the bank immediately. As a best practice, consider setting up account alerts to notify you of large or unusual transactions. This will help you stay on top of your account activity and prevent potential fraud. In conclusion, using your Banco Sabadell debit card is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and precautions. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy a convenient and secure banking experience. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and stay informed about any changes to your card's terms and conditions.